Okay, I'm going to do a long format video today. I noticed somebody did not like one of the short ones. I don't know who that was, whether it was a troll or somebody actually trying to give me back feedback. So, heading to the greenhouse. It's hot, almost 100 there, or over 100 Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's a hot one today. And here we go. Here we are inside the greenhouse. A little cooler, not quite 100 degrees in here, thank God. There's the microgreens everywhere. Ooh, it looks like I had a critter in here because something was going through that. Ooh, shit. Yeah, I definitely had something going through here. That's not a good sign. Anyways, here's the fish tank. There's the hard filter. And let's feed the fishies. Yeah, this is not cool. Something was in here going crazy. And it looks like it's been through all, yeah, probably a mouse or a rat. So let's watch the fish eat. You can see the catfish go crazy, and it's a dangerous time for the goldfish because in their feeding frenzy, sometimes a goldfish might get attacked. Anyways, I'm going to see what's going on with the critters in here. I've got a compost that I'm going to add. And these two tanks are still not, I don't have any mushrooms in them yet, so this is something I need to do. Oh, this is really pissing me off that there's some critter in here. I'm going to have to set a trap or something because that is unacceptable. Okay, so this is the composter. That's where I need an assistant. Okay, take that off. And there we go. Okay, there was something in here digging through. You can see that there was some major digging in there. But anyways, I'm going to have to deal with that some other way. But here is the compost. And of course, doing everything with one hand is difficult. All right. So now we have put more food in there, which may attract the rodent. But I guess I'm going to have to deal with that little guy on my own. Anyways, that's all I've got for you guys. Please give feedback on whether you prefer the short form or the long form videos. And you guys have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe. Peace, love, and have a great weekend.